Have you ever felt like your makeup routine was missing that little extra magic? Something that can take your eyeshadow game to a whole new level? Well, today we're talking about a product that promises to do just that. The LORAC Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Fairytale Forest. This palette features a beautiful mix of matte, shimmer, and glitter shades, giving you endless options for creating bold, soft, or glam looks. But it's not just about the colors. This one is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan, so it checks those ethical beauty boxes as well. Now, I'm all about trying products that promise not just a stunning visual payoff, but also quality ingredients and versatility. When I first laid eyes on this palette, the Fairytale Forest theme really stood out to me. The shades evoke a sense of mysticism and nature, with earthy tones that range from deep forest greens to soft, warm neutrals. It's definitely a palette that has versatility, you're catering to both natural daytime looks and sultry evening vibes. The formula of these eyeshadows is what impressed me most. The texture is smooth, almost creamy, and blends beautifully, which makes application so easy. I was able to work with both matte and shimmer shades without any noticeable fallout, which is a huge win. Whether you're blending a transition shade or applying a pop of shimmer to the lid, the colors stay in place and deliver vibrant results. Even the glitter shades are surprisingly smooth, with minimal fallout, something that's often a challenge with glitter eyeshadows. In terms of wear, I tested these shadows in a couple of different conditions, on a full day of work, and then again for a night out. What really stood out to me was how well they held up. By the end of a 10-hour day, I noticed only slight fading in the shimmer shades, which I wasn't mad about given that I didn't use any primer. However, the matte shades performed beautifully, maintaining their intensity. There's a reason LORAC has earned a solid reputation for creating pigmented, high-quality products. This palette is no exception. It delivers rich, blendable color that looks just as good in person as it does in photos. Plus, the compact mirror makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups, which is always a bonus. As with any product, there are a few things worth noting. First, while the packaging is sleek and sturdy, it's a bit larger than I expected, which could make it less travel-friendly for some. Also, if you have sensitive eyes, you might want to do a patch test first. I didn't experience any irritation, but everyone's skin reacts differently, so it's always best to be cautious. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this palette offers a solid return on investment. You get 16 beautiful shades, and the quality of each one really justifies the price. It's a bit of an investment, but considering how versatile the palette is and how long it'll last, I think it's worth it. Now, if you're eyeing a more budget-friendly option, but still want some great quality, there are a few palettes out there that might meet your needs. Brands like ELF and Maybelline offer some great alternatives that pack a punch in terms of pigmentation, though they might not have the same luxurious texture as the LORAC palette. So what's my final verdict on the LORAC Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Fairytale Forest? If you love rich, blendable eyeshadows that stay true to color all day, this palette will definitely be a hit. It's versatile enough to create both soft, everyday looks and dramatic evening glam, while also ticking off those important ethical beauty boxes. If you're someone who appreciates high-quality formulations and ethical beauty practices, this palette deserves a spot in your collection. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this palette or any other LORAC products? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.